Hi guys, welcome to my channel and how to download HP ZBook Firefly G11 16. Okay, so you not driver and BIOS and all of your laptop. So open any browsers to type Google search box to like that on the Google search box, and then you can see this is officially website of HP support.hp.com, and drive just right click to new tab. Slow down, click to choose different OS. If you are using different OS, so Windows 11 and 10, by default it will be show here Windows 10. So this is BIOS. So if you have to update a BIOS of your laptop, so you can download and install audio chipset and all driver, lot of driver it's showing here, but this is not required for your system. Okay, you just install the basic driver of audio. Okay, you just click to download. Okay, I show you first install the network. Okay, it's like install this one. This is Wi-Fi driver, this is Bluetooth driver. So you can see, click on the download. You can see like that is it start for downloading. Just single click, then click to yes, then next, I accept, then next and install. Okay, this is finish. Then guys, I have to install more driver, so scroll down and click to more driver. Okay, so this is installations process same. If you install any driver, any download any driver, so this is installations process same. So next, so this is Bluetooth, install this one and this one. Okay, and then graphic card, so try to this one NVIDIA. You can see Intel driver, it is not showing. This is video. Okay, this is panels, so you can see the size is different, so that's why install this one. Click to download. This is chipset, install first, and this is also only one driver. Okay, so all the driver install and then restart your system. Okay, after installed it.